are we in a state where there is no equality between men and women?
Mumbai, finally, we got to get it now, get it now. We got to get it now, get it now.
This is DMC.
Deepa Unnikrishnan.
DMC from Amchi, Mumbai. I don't sleep all day and party all night.
I've always liked rhymes since I was like in school. I used to write poetry and stuff.
This is that hip-hop state of mind.
It's when I started rapping, when people, started realizing, oh, there's a girl who can rap.
Tell me I'm fly cause my songs are a ride. Fasten your bells if you don't wanna die. Who you close to, you look me in the eye. Now call me a singer one more time, bitch.
I've been a performer since I was 5 years old.
फिर किधर भी लेके जाते तो एक जगह पे नहीं बैठती थी, सब जगह पे जाके डांस करती थी, छोटे में वो सब करती थी वो बहुत.
Being a female rapper, I have my own share of problems. Like, I don't have that much independence like guys do, to go out and get contacts, perform at places. That opportunity is a little less for me.
एक्चुअली मैं इसमें अगेंस्ट था, इसके लिए हम लोग के बीच में बहुत थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम चलता था. तो नाइट शो में जाने का बोले तो मैं जाने को नहीं देती थी.
Dudes talking about figures like that hourglass. You kinda clash, you'd be lucky to tap half of that. You do weed or drugs, call yourself a cool kid, feeling like a gangster, but that's what all the fools say.
Right now I'm working on a track where there is no equality between men and women. Basically it's evolution of women from being worshipped as a god to being called as demons agents.
Don't you know that diva is the female version of a hustler? Only one in the game and you can't best her.
Through this track I want people to think, give them a little glimpse of the history.
Better step off the stage, clear the path when I hit the beat and rap. Spit fire till it melts and it forms into a track.
I've always been a rebel. I've never done what I'm supposed, like what people expect me to do. I've trained in Bharatanatyam for 7-8 years. Initially I wanted to become a B-girl.
Now is the time to come and redefine this. Don't try to come in my way. Goes around, fucking comes around.
Like I had a thing for hip-hop since a very long time. So if not rapping, I would have gotten somewhere through b-boying.
What goes around, fucking comes around. DMC.
Around like 10th standard or something, I started listening Cardinal Official. I was like blown away was when I heard Fort Minor, Mike Shinoda. His lyricism is very simple, but then every line is like, whoa, right. Like a painting through poetry. So that's what I want. A song in which you can get vivid imagination by just listening to it. People don't realize how much work, how much effort as well as money goes into making a single music video.
Past tense, up on my feet, time to clean the mess. Voice inside me.
And the process is really frustrating because I am doing everything on my own, literally everything, including my makeup, the whatever I'm wearing, including the marketing and advertising. So literally it's like taking care of all the minute things, even during recording, while writing, during the music production. An artist is not really supposed to do everything. So 2 years from now, I want to make myself in that position where I am capable of helping others, helping hip-hop in India grow. If that becomes true, then I think I can die peacefully. Yo, what's up? This is DMC giving a shout out to 101 India. Make sure you check out their project Hip Hop Homeland and like, share and subscribe to their channels on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You know the whole deal. Peace.
Just didn't thought of making a b-boy crew. I thought of making a proper hip hop crew, a urban collective.
Here we go, got my beast mode on. Let him know, got my beast mode on. Here we go, got my beast mode.
You cannot do like a 90%, you have to give your 100, and if possible the next time you do it, you have to be even better. There's not one negative thing I take away from Voctronica ever.